In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will help you get started with building your website, whether it's for personal or business use. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a well-known provider offering affordable web hosting services, and it's an ideal starting point for bringing your ideas online. Once you're on the homepage, your first step is to locate and click on the Login button. This button is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll be greeted with the Hostinger dashboard. Next, head over to the Home section of Hostinger. This section is essentially your command center where you'll manage all your services and website settings. On the dashboard, find and click on Hosting to access a list of domains and hosting plans you currently manage or own. Hosting is the backbone of your website, ensuring it runs smoothly and is accessible to everyone, everywhere. After you reach the hosting section, click on the Manage button next to the domain you wish to install WordPress on. This will take you to a comprehensive management page filled with all the essential tools and options to optimize and monitor your hosting plan. Now look for a section labeled Website and click on it. This will bring up a variety of tools and settings designed to help you create and manage your online presence. Among these options, you'll find WordPress install. Select this option to start the installation process. Then you'll see an Install WordPress button. Go ahead and click on it. Hostinger's intuitive interface will guide you through the necessary steps, making it simple to set up your new WordPress site. You'll be prompted to fill in some information required to complete the installation, such as selecting your domain and setting your website's administration credentials. Once WordPress is installed, you'll have full access to its powerful platform, enabling you to customize your website to your heart's content. From choosing a theme to installing plugins, WordPress offers the flexibility and control you need to create a site that truly represents your vision. With these easy steps, you've successfully used WordPress on Hostinger, setting the stage for a dynamic and professional website. Remember, building a website is just the beginning. Always explore and experiment with different features to enhance your site's functionality and design. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.